the road. We're almost to NaPali Coast or Hyena State Park. We'll be there in 10 minutes. But this is the skinny road that you have to get through. Sometimes it's one-laners. You have to wait for the traffic to go through for you to go through. We're on the edge of a fucking cliff right here. So one wrong turn and we're dead. But yeah, we're coming to the spot. And we got our long hike ahead of us. 11 miles, which is gonna suck. But I'll be recording throughout the whole way so you can see the process and everything if you ever want to do this. Yeah, a lot of cool spots too, like that one, and it's very green and lush and beautiful. Tunnels Beach coming up right here, one of the best beaches on the island. All right, no, this is not Tunnels Beach. All right. All right, we're starting our hike on the NaPali Coast, Kalalau Trail. I'm about to be off the grid for the next 48 hours, a little longer. Epic trail. All right, let's go. We're a little over a mile in, almost 2 miles. We haven't even scratched the surface. All right, let's keep going. I'm freaking drenched in sweat. Alright, we're about to make it to the second mile. We're at the, I don't know how to say the name, so I'm not even going to try. But it's the beach. And if you go another, I think it's 2 more miles, you hit the waterfall. That's the hike I did a few years ago when I came here to Kauai. But we're going to skip the beach for now because we've already seen it. And we still have a long way to go. Another, what, 10 miles? 8 miles, 9 miles to hit our campsite. But yeah, we gotta cross a river and then head more along the coast. But it's definitely worth it to get the permit to come to the 2 mile mark if you want to see this waterfall. So, all right, let's go. All right, so this is the stream we gotta cross. I'm definitely not gonna be holding my camera while I cross the stream. I do not want anything to fall in. But I'm gonna try not to get my feet wet.
All the walking I've done.
Your head just popped up in my. So here is the what's this beach called?
Right there.
Anakapai.
There's a lean to over. I'm gonna.
That nice little lagoon right there. But we're gonna skip that. See if I'm saying it right. That's how you say it. That's how you spell it. Look, we are here, and the waterfall is over there. If you want to go another 2 miles. But we are heading this way. Kalalau Trail. Another 9 miles. Should be fine. See, that's the waterfall. That's the waterfall right there.
Are we going past that?
We're going this way. We're going that way.
You are here. Oh, we're going this way.
Yeah. That's up the stream. But
That's
alright.
falls?
Yeah. Alright. I'll get back to you when we hit another cool viewpoint. It's just dark all the time. There we go. All right, this is Crawler's Ledge. We're gonna go around the edge, basically the edge of a cliff. And I don't want to die, so I'm gonna put the camera away. But check it out. We gotta scale down the whole thing. All right, let's go. This ain't nothing. Wait till we get around the corner. Almost there. After me struggling, we're almost there. Fuck.
Taking a shower in the waterfall. Feels really nice. I don't know why he's saying woo, but there's the makeshift camp.
Many unbearable hours later.
So guys, after okay night's sleep, we're finally here on Kalalau Beach, one of the most beautiful places in the world. As you can see, the mountains behind me, but I'm walking down to the beach right now. I got our camp set up. I'll show you in a minute. But all these people right here, they came on kayaks, right? And I want to say, I'm not sure if they bring their kayaks to a boat and hop on and get ride by a boat, or they just kayak the whole, whatever, 10-mile coast, because they have a lot of stuff they packed out, and they have kids and stuff. So, and then we got these two, there's two skinny girls that are kayaking. They had like 2 big trash bags full of stuff, and now they're kayaking. So I don't know where they're going. Zoom in. There they are right there, and they're off. Maybe they're going to that dinghy. Where are they going? Wouldn't they be going that way? Maybe they're going to that dinghy. I don't know.
Huh?
Maybe they're going to that dinghy? Unless the edge is closer over there. Like civilization. Alright, here's the amazing coast. We got, I'll show you the little waterfall right there where we took a shower last night. It's crazy, man. Sunset, during sunset, this whole place is gonna light up. If the clouds don't roll in. So all along the beach on this tree line is where the campsites are. We got I'll show you our tent hammock, our setup right now. And then it goes from here all the way down about right there is all the campsites. You could just like basically choose first come first serve. No fire pits. Actually, they were burning a fire last night, so I guess you can do fires down here on the beach. But it does say on the website no fire, so I'm not sure. And then this little guard shack right here is a guard shack with the police, the Hawaiian police, and a couple other people. I guess they stay down here for days on end. And I guess today a helicopter is supposed to land right here. So we will see what that's all about. But yeah, the police dude came down. You're supposed to bring your permits. We left our permits in the car. And if you don't have your permits, it's a citation, but he let us go, which is pretty cool. So let me show you the little campsite. All right, here's the campsite. I got my Haven tent hammock. It's called the Haven Tent XL. It actually is a hammock, but it lays flat. I got the mattress in there. It's pretty roomy in there. And then Jeffrey's got his little hammock. Making some breakfast. But I'll eat when I come back, because we're gonna walk down there really quick. All right, let's go. out there that comes and picks the guys up and picks up some supplies, sends it back. Pretty cool. We're gonna take off soon. Stove, a pot. Pour some water in the pot. Is that enough? Should be enough. And this mountain house as my bowl, because I cleaned it out yesterday, last night. Take the oatmeal. You start this up. Start to flame up like that. Boil some water. Dump it in here. Like that. Wait for the water to boil. Pour the water in here. Then you get yourself a nice little meal. I got this Grail water filter. Basically, pull it out like this. It has a filter right here. Pour the water in here. We got this all from the streams, by the way, in the waterfall. Take this, and it filters it all out. You just push it down. There we go, Jeffrey. Pot. Take this, pour it in here. And there we go. Probably a little bit too much water, but all right. Pop a squat. Now we have filtered water. It's about 6 o'clock. We are getting ready to watch the sunset going down in about an hour and a half. We're just kind of getting situated because we're leaving tomorrow morning, early in the morning. So we're getting our all our stuff ready to go. Got a long day ahead of us. Hopefully it takes us less than because it took us 9 hours to do the hike yesterday. Pretty hard. I was pretty dehydrated. So hopefully tomorrow will be a lot better. Get it done faster. Get back to the parking lot about 12 o'clock, 10 o'clock. What you think?
10 o'clock?
We'll probably get to, I say we'll probably get there like 3 o'clock. We're going to start.
It's up to you.
It's up to me. We're going to start at like 5:30, 6:30. If you ever seen the Beetlejuice video, but when he keeps naming different times to start the show, check it out because it's pretty funny. But here's one last look at our little campsite. The Haven 10 XL has been great. It's really comfortable. I also got this cool little gadget. It doesn't even have a battery, but it's a cool little gadget. So this thing called the Govee. Gove, I don't know how you say it. Govee. It's a thermometer. Basically, you hook it up to Bluetooth with your phone, and it tells you the temperature and the humidity. Pretty cool. Pretty useful. Just if you want to see the temperature and you're not within cell service, so you can't really see what the weather is or anything. But yeah, whoa. But yeah, the Haven 10 XL, I got it packaged with the ZenBivy light bed, which has the ZenBivy sheet and the ZenBivy light quilt. Works pretty good with the Haven 10 mattress pad. But yeah, we took a little dive in the ocean. It was very good. Then we went and rinsed off in the waterfall, and then I'm waiting for the sunset to go down. Life of Mikey.